Hello friends, welcome to this last part of the video series on Matplotlib, and it was a great journey explaining things on Matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of my favorite packages for visualization, and as I said in the intro section of this video series that Matplotlib is a godfather of all the packages available for Python on visualization. So I hope this video series is informative to you. We have seen many different things of Matplotlib in this video series, and also there is so much to explore on Matplotlib, and it is way beyond the scope of this 3-4 videos to explain all the functionalities of Matplotlib. But again, you can go to Matplotlib official documentation and learn different things that you need. Thank you for the support you are showing on YouTube. I have grown from like 200 subscribers to like 900 at this point of time, so thank you for that. And again, if you like my work and if you download the repository on your local machine, please consider giving a star to that repository. It helps. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see such more videos or any topics that you want to learn. I'll try my best to explain things to you on YouTube. In the end, thank you for watching. Peace.